In this video, I'm breaking down whether contractors really get mad when you shop around for multiple quotes and how to handle that whole situation without drama. So, here's the deal. When you're remodeling or doing any big home project, it's totally normal to want to get a few quotes before locking someone in, you know? It's your money, your house, and you gotta make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. First off, always have a clear list of what you need done and what materials you already have. This way, contractors can give you accurate quotes instead of guessing. When you ask for quotes, be upfront about your timeline and budget, but don't feel pressured to share that you're getting multiple bids. Some pros appreciate the honesty, others might get weird about it. Also, watch out for contractors who push hourly rates without a clear scope. That can get expensive fast and makes budgeting a nightmare. If you get a quote that feels way too high, ask for a breakdown or get a second opinion. It's your right to understand exactly what you're paying for. When you meet contractors, pay attention to how they communicate and treat you. It says a lot about how the job might go. And if someone gets all defensive or angry because you're comparing quotes, that's a red flag right there. Professionals should expect competition and respect your process. One of the biggest mistakes people make when getting multiple quotes is not doing enough homework on the contractors themselves. Always check reviews, references, and past work before even asking for prices. Another common issue is not clarifying what's included in each quote, which leads to surprise fees or unfinished work down the line. So always ask for everything in writing. The third thing that trips folks up is waiting too long to make a decision. Dragging it out can frustrate contractors but also leaves your project hanging, so try to decide once you've gathered all the info. If any contractor blows up or pressures you because you're wasting their time, just remember, it's your project and you're allowed to be picky. Keep your cool, stay professional, and if it feels shady or uncomfortable, trust your gut and move on. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners like us can connect with trusted local contractors who actually want to do good work without the drama. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find new clients who are serious about quality work and fair pricing, win-win all around.